In Nokia's mobile phones, you get to see great and tremendous features. Nokia is considered one of the most trusted brands in terms of technology, offering excellent build quality and strong camera performance. Nokia is now going to launch a fantastic smartphone, which will feature the most powerful processor, Snapdragon 8 Elite, along with a 200-megapixel DSLR camera. Yes, we are talking about the Nokia Edge Mate Max 5G smartphone. If you want to buy this phone, make sure to watch this video till the end. In today's video, we will provide information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this powerful smartphone. So, let's get started. Features of Nokia Edge Mate Max 5G. According to media sources, this new smartphone will have a 6.9-inch Full HD+ Super AMOLED display. It will come with a 144 Hz refresh rate, 390 Hz touch sampling rate, and 4K resolution. Additionally, it will feature Gorilla Glass armor and an IP68 rating. Camera setup. In this incredible smartphone, you will get great camera quality, similar to the iPhone. It will have a quad camera setup, with the primary camera being 200 megapixels. The other three cameras will be 50 megapixels, 32 megapixels, and 5 megapixels. Additionally, there will be a 50 megapixel selfie camera on the front. Battery backup. In terms of battery, Nokia has included a powerful 7500 mAh battery in this smartphone, which supports a Type-C charging socket and 120-watt fast charging. Processor. The processor will be the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is one of the most powerful mobile processors to date. As for the operating system, it will launch with Android 15. Price and launch date. Regarding the price, Nokia may launch this smartphone in the global market at around $600. As for the launch date, no official information has been released yet.